In this section, we will see how to create a new module in our application, and later we will create DocType. Then we will see DocType fields and field properties, and finally different types of DocTypes. So let's start learning. Let's open the terminal and move to bench directory. Then start the bench using this command bench start. Open this link and go to login page. Login as administrator. Now we are in workspace, and to create a new module, let's open the build module and click on the module def. This will list all the modules present in ERP Next and Frappe application. Here we can see a demo app module, and this module is created when we create a demo application in Frappe Bench. Let's click on this add module def, and here we have to give a name for this module. I am giving a name, first module. Next, we need to select an application, and here we can see 3 applications inside this Frappe bench, and first one is Frappe, then ERP Next, and our application demo app. So here I am adding this module to ERP Next application. Then we can also restrict this module to different domains. I am not adding any restriction here. I am just click on save. And now we successfully created our module inside ERP Next application. So let's open the files and go to Frappe bench. Let's maximize this and go to application list, then ERP Next application. Open ERP Next, and here we can see our first module directory, and now the directory is empty because we didn't create any report or DocType inside this module. This is how we can create a new module in ERP Next application. I am adding one more module here, and let's go to the module list and click on add a module. Let's add a module name, programming module, and this module belongs to our demo application directory. Then click on save. Now let's open the demo app directory. Now I am in ERP Next, then go to apps, then open demo app, and this is our application. And here we can see our programming module inside application directory. We will create some DocType and report inside this module in coming lectures. In this lecture, we will see how to create a new DocType in Frappe framework. Let's start learning. My bench is up and running, and let's open the web application. Before creating a new DocType, let's see a DocType which is already created in ERP Next. Let's open tools, and here we can see to do. In ERP Next, we can create to dos using this DocType. Here we can see the list view of to do DocType, and now there is no to do is available. So let's create a new to do by clicking on add to button. This will show a small form view. I am just elaborating this view using edit in full page. This is the to do DocType form view, and here we can see different fields and labels. For example, this is a select field, and we can select the status, and this is also a select field. We can choose different color for this to do using color field, and if you click on due date, we can see a calendar view, and we can pick a date from that calendar. And in description field, we can type our to do note or short paragraphs. Reference is a next section in this DocType. We can also see some more fields in references. To create a to-do, let's add some description here and click on save. Now this to-do is created. If you go to to-do list, you can see our first to-do. We can also create doctype like to-do in Frappe framework, and let's see how to create a new doctype. Let's go to home and click on build module, then click on doctype. This will show doctype list view, and I am adding a new doctype here. Just click on add a doctype, then give a doctype name. I am adding a demo doctype name here. Next we need to mention this doctype belongs to which module. So here I am selecting our programming module which is present in our demo application. So let's select programming module. Now we can add different field to this doctype. Let's click on add a new row and let's add a label first name here. And this will be the label for this field. And next we need to specify the field type, and next we need to give a name for this field, and this name will use for programming and fetching the data from that specific field. So let's add the field name first name here, first underscore name. Next I am not changing anything in this doctype. Let's click on save. And now we successfully created our demo doctype in our programming module. This will also create a database table inside our MariaDB database. To view this doctype, just click on go to demo doctype list. To add a new document, let's click on add a demo doctype, and this will open the form view, and we can see our field first name here. If you place mouse over this field, you can see the field actual name. So this field name is used for fetching values from this field. So let's add a name here. I'm adding decode here and click on save. Now we successfully saved our first document inside our demo doctype. So if you go to demo doctype list, you can see the list view of our demo doctype, and this is our first doctype. Let's open the programming module and see the controlling files for this demo doctype. Let's open files and go to Frappe bench, then open demo application, then programming module. Here we can see a new directory called doctype, and let's open this directory. Inside this directory we can see our demo doctype. Let's open this, and these are the controlling and database structure file created when we create a new doctype. Now I am going to open the MariaDB console and let's see the demo doctype table structure. And go to Frappe bench. Then we can open MariaDB console using this command bench MariaDB. We can see our demo doctype table structure using this command desk, then tab, then doctype table name, which is demo doctype. We are using a tab prefix with our doctype name because in Frappe every doctype tables are created with prefix tab. So let's enter, and this is our table structure. Here we can see different fields and their types. Now let's see the documents present inside this demo doctype. For see the data inside this table, we can run the command select star for all data from, then tab demo doctype. And here we can see the data present inside this demo doctype table. Here we can see only one document, and which is our decoded document which we created just now, and the name is a random name, and we can see the creation time then modification time, then modified by administrator, and owner is also administrator, and then doc status is 0 because it's a saved document, and parent null, parent field null, then idx is 0. Then we can see our first name decoded here, and also we can see some other fields, and that fields are null. So this is the database structure of a DocType. Sorry, we can exit from here using Q, and I'm exiting from MariaDB console using Control D, and let me clear this.